Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add your games to your favorites list on Steam. So in order to do this, first let's find a game that we want to add to our favorite list, and in this case I'm gonna add Arma 3. Simply right click on a game, and here there should be Add to Favorites tab. So you can click on it, that way you'll add game to your favorites list. Now to remove it, right click on it again and remove it from your favorites. There's also another way to do it, and simply click on each game that you want to add to your favorite list and click on the star on the right side of the screen right here. Let's add a bunch of games. Go up. From here select the game again, and if you want to remove, click on the star again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.